Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming ownership and collecting facts. You need the serial, IMEI, iOS version, and MDM profile name so you can prove rights and describe the issue. Once done, make sure you have account emails and a clear proof of purchase or authorization to remove management. Contact the organization that enrolled the device if possible. They are usually the simplest route. Do not attempt workarounds that bypass controls. Instead, use legitimate channels to avoid bricking the phone or violating policy. Next, request an official unenrollment from the administrator. Explain why you need the device unenrolled and provide the serial and proof of ownership so they can remove the device from their console. If the device was enrolled via Apple Business Manager or School Manager, make sure the admin follows the approved removal workflow. This ensures activation locks and supervised settings are cleared correctly. You should cooperate on any remote steps they ask, and save any confirmation emails or screenshots once the profile is removed. Finally, after the administrator confirms removal, perform an authorized factory reset and restore from your iCloud or encrypted backup. If activation lock or managed activation still appears, stop and contact the original owner or Apple support with your proof of purchase and the device serial number. Apple can clear locks when ownership is verified. If something goes wrong during reset, escalate to the organization or Apple rather than trying unofficial tools. This protects your warranty and avoids data loss or permanent device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.